Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to the fifth video of this series. In today's video, we are gonna solve question 5, that is, find each of the following by using prime factorization. Before solving the question, if you like the videos, if you have watched the videos that I've uploaded before, if you like it, then please do subscribe and also share with your friends. So let's begin. You have to solve these questions by using prime factorization, right? So you already have now the concept of prime numbers. Now you are doing the prime factorization. So how we are gonna do it? See, we have to use this symbol, and then we have to divide this number using prime numbers, right? So this number can be divided by 5, so we will start from 5, and 5 is a prime number, and that you already know. 5 4 is 20, and 5 is 25. There must be a 0 as well. Now 5 8 is 40, and 5 1 is 5. Now see, this number is not divisible by 5, so it should be divisible by some other numbers. That is, 3 divides this number. 3 2 is 6, and 3 7 is 21, and 3 9 is 27, and 3 3 is 9, and 3 1 is 3, right? You have to solve it completely until you get this one at the end, right? Now you need to find the root for 2025. How will you do it? You have to write all these prime numbers in form of multiplication, like this: 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3, 3, 3, and 3, right? Now see, write these numbers in index notation, or better to write them in form of squares, in the form of power of squares. You can pair these two, you can pair these two, and you can pair these two. Now you can write it as 5 square, and you can write 3 multiplied by 3 as 3 square, and you can write 3 multiplied by 3 as 3 square again. Now there is a rule that you can write this root separately over every number, like this: root of 5 square multiplied by root of 3 square multiplied by root of 3 square. Now what you will do is you will cancel the root with the power 2, because you already know the value of root is 1 by 2. That is the reason it cancels with the power of 2, like this. And this root will cancel with this 2, and this root will cancel with this 2. And now the remaining numbers are 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now simply multiply these numbers. 5 multiplied by 3 is 9, and 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. And that is the answer for root of 2025. That means if you multiply 45 2 times, you will get 2025. That's how you solve for the prime factorization when root is appearing in the questions. Now coming to part B. Now see, this number is divisible by prime number 2, so we will start from 2. 2304. Now this is divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, and 2 2 is 4. 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14, and 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, and 2 6 is 12. We'll do it here. 2 1 is 2, and 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18. Now 3 3 is 9, and 3 1 is 3. Now, if you know how to divide the numbers, it will be very easy for you so that you can do it very quickly. Now, finding the root of 2304, what we will do, we will place the root here and we will multiply all the prime numbers we got by dividing the number. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, there are 8 twos and 2 threes, right? Now again pairing these numbers, right? How will you write it? In index notation, you will write it as 2 square multiply by 2 square multiply by 2 square multiply by 2 square multiply by 3 square, right? Now separately applying root over every number, root of 2 square multiply by 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 root of 3 square, right? Now cancelling these numbers, with the root, the power with the root, what you get, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Now 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. And what is 16 multiplied by 3? 16 multiplied by 3, 3 6 is 18, 48, right? Now that means root of 2304 is 48. And by that, it means 48 multiplied by 48 equals what? It equals 2304. In this way, you will solve for every one of the questions. Now look at this number 3969. This can be divisible by 2, so it is divisible by 3. We will try from 3. We will start from 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, and 3 3 is 9. Again, let's try with 3. 3 4 is 12, 3 4 is 12, and 3 1 is 3, right? 3 again, let's try with 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 7 is 21. Again, let's try 3. 3 4 is 12, and 3 9 is 27, right? Again, let's try with 3. 3 1 is 3, and 19 is not divisible. That means 49 is not divisible by 3. So you will start with 7, as 7 is a prime number and 7 divides 49, right? You will write 7 here. 7 7 is 49, and 7 1 is 7, right? Now writing it again in the same way, 3969 is equal to, placing the root at the top of the numbers, we are multiplying 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. And in the next step, what we do, we pair the numbers like this, and then we write it in index notation, 3 square, 3 square, and 7 square. And then we write the root separately on every number. 3 square multiplied by root of 3 square multiplied by root of 7 square. This root cancels with square, this root cancels with this square, this root cancels with this square. And then you multiply 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now see, 3 multiplied by 3 7 is 21. Now multiplying these two numbers, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. That means 63 is the answer for root of 3969, which means when we multiply 63 multiply by 63, or when we multiply 63 two times, we will get 3969, right? Coming to part D, 7056. Now you can guess it, and this number is divisible by 2 because at the end of the number there is 6, and 6 is divisible by 2. So let's start with 2. 2, 3 is 6, 2, 5 is 10, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 8 is 16, again with 2. 2, 1 is 2, 2, 7 is 14, 2, 6 is 12, 2, 4 is 8, 2, 8 is 16, 2, 8 is 16, and 2, 2 is 4, 2, 4 is 8, 2, 4 is 8, and 2, 1 is 2. Now let's try this number with 3. 3, 1 is 3 because this is not divisible by 2 because at the end of the number there is 1. 3, 1 is 3 and 3, 4 is 12 and 3, 7 is 21 and 3, 4 is 12 and 3, 9 is 27. Now 49. 7, 7 is 49 and 7, 1 is 7. Again, doing it the same way, root of 7056 is equal to placing the root at the top of the numbers we are multiplying, like 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. Again, pairing these numbers, these two, these two, these two, these two. Of course, you have to pair the same numbers, right? And root of 2 square, writing in index notation, 2 square, 3 square, and 7 square, right? Applying root separately on every number, 2 square, 2 square, root of 3 square, and root of 7 square. This cancels with root, square cancels with root, square cancels with root, and square cancels with root, right? And you will get 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now 2, 2 is 4, 4, 3 is 12, and what is 12 multiplied by 7? 7, 2 is 14, 84. That means the root of 7056 is 84, right? And that is when you multiply 84 two times, you will get 7056. Coming to part E, now look at this question here. Cube has appeared, so that means we have to find the cube root of 5832. And in this case, we will combine three numbers together, right? We will see how it works. When I start solving this, you have to do it the same way. The prime factorization is the same. Just you have to combine three numbers in form of power of 3, right? We will do it and you will understand it, right? 5832. Now see, this number is again divisible by 2, so we will start from 2. 2, 2 is 4, 2, 9 is 18, 2, 1 is 2, 2, 6 is 12, 2, 1 is 2, 2, 4 is 8, 2, 5 is 10, 2, 8 is 16, 2, 7 is 14, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 9 is 18. Now see, 7, 2, 9 is not divisible by 2. We will start from 3, whether it's divisible by 3 or not. We will try it. 3, 2 is 6. 3, 4 is 12. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3, 3 is 9. Again, we will try with 3. 3, 8 is 24. And 3, 1 is 3. Right? 3, 2 is 6. And 3, 7 is 21. Right? 3, 9 is 27. Now 9. 3, 3 is 9. And 3, 1 is 3. Right? Again, we will write it in the form we used before, like root of 5832 is equal to, again applying root. Now here in this case we have cube root, we have to write 3 here, right? And here we have to write 3 as well. Now write the numbers. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 has appeared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, right? Now in this case, what you have to do is you have to combine three numbers, because here we are finding cube root, so we have to combine three numbers together like this. In case of square root, we combine two numbers, but in this case, in case of cube root, we have to combine three numbers. If it was, let's suppose, fourth root, we have to combine four numbers, and if it was fifth root, we had to combine 5 numbers together, right? Now see what you will do. You will again write it in index notation, like 2 cube multiply by 3 cube multiplied by 3 cube. Cube means 3, right? That is the cube root. Again, applying the root separately on every number. Root of 2 cube multiplied by cube root of 3 cube multiplied by cube root of 3 cube. Now this cube cancels with cube root because the value of cube root is what? 1 by 3. And 1 by 3 cancels with power of 3, like this. This cancels with this and this cancels with this. And now what you get? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. That means cube root of 5832 is 18. If you want to check your answer, how will you do it? You will multiply 18 3 times. 18 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 18 and you will get 5832. Right? That is how you solve for cube root. Now coming to part F, cube root of 9261. Again, 9261 is not divisible by 2, so we will try it from 3. 9261, we have to find a cube root. See, 3 is 9, 3, 8 is 24. We have to place a 0 here, and 3, 7 is 21. Now 3, 1 is 3, 3, 2 is 6, 3, 9 is 27, 3, 3 is 9, 3, 4 is 12, and 3, 3 is 9. We have to check for 3, 43 whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 3, 1 is 3, 3, 1 is 3, 3 doesn't divide 13, it's not divisible by 343. So 343 is not divisible by 5. We will try for 7. 7 4 is 28 and 7 9 is 63. Yes, 7 divides this number, so we will do it with 7. 7 4 is 28 and 7 9 is 63. 7 7 is 49 and 7 1 is 7. And it is solved. Right? Now write cube root of 9261 is equal to cube root of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Again, combining three numbers like this and writing it in index notation, it will be like 3 cube multiplied by 7 cube. Writing the root separately, cube root of 3 cube multiplied by cube root of 7 cube. Cube cancels with cube cancels with cube root, and you will get 3 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 21. That means the cube root of 9261 is equal to 21, which in other words mean 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21 is equal to 9261. Coming to part G, this number is again divisible by 2 and we have to find the cube root for this number. 17576. Again, we will do it the same way. 2 8 is 16, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18, 2 7 is 14. Now 2197 is not divisible by 2. We will try it with 3. 3 7 is 21, 3 3 is 9, but 7 is not divisible by 3. We can try it with 7. 7 3 is 21, 7 1 is 7, and 27 is not divisible by 7. So 7 also doesn't divide this number. We will try it with 11. 11 also doesn't divide this number. And when you will try it with 13, 13 divides this number. 13, 1 is 13 and 89. 13 multiplied by 6, 63 is 18, 61 is 6, 7. 13 multiplied by 6 is 78 and 117. 13 multiplied by 9 is 117. 13 multiplied by 1 is 13, and 13 multiplied by 3 is 39, and 13 multiplied by 1 is 13, right? Again, write it in the same way. Cube root of 17576 is equal to cube root of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 13, 13 and 13. Now you have to combine three of these numbers like this and write it in index notation. Cube root of 2 cube multiplied by cube root of 13 cube. Cube cancels with this, cube cancels with this. You will get 2 multiplied by 13, and 2 multiplied by 13 is 26. That means cube root of 17576 is 26, which means 26 multiplied by 26 multiplied by 26 is equal to what? Is equal to 17576. Coming to the last part of the video, and I hope you guys are understanding all the steps I'm doing here. You can try it by yourself by pausing the video and checking your answer, and in that way you will understand many of these steps. So doing the last part, 39304, this number is divisible by 2. We will start with 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18, 2 6 is 12, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 2 9 is 18, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 9 is 18, 2 1 is 2, and 2 3 is 6. Now 4913 is not divisible by 2, it is neither divisible by 3, nor it is divisible by 7. 11 also doesn't divide this number. You can try them. And what about 13? 13 also does not divide this number. And when you will check 17, 17 will divide this number. Let's try it. 4913. 17 multiplied by 2 is 34, right? 34. Now 9 minus 4 is 5, and this is 1. Now taking this number here, 151. 17 multiplied by 8 is 136, right? 6 7 8 9 10 11, 1 5, and taking this 3 here, and 17 multiplied by 9 is 153. So that means 17 multiplied by 289 is equal to 4913. Now 17 multiplied by 1 is 17, and 17 multiplied by 7 is 119, right? And then 17 multiplied by 1 is 17. And in this way you will solve for this number. Again, writing it in the same form we used before, cube root of 39304. Cube root of 39304 is equal to cube root of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17. Again, combining three numbers here, this and these, then you will get cube root of 2 cube multiplied by 17 cube. Applying the root separately, cube root of 2 cube multiplied by cube root of 17 cube, cancelling the root with power of 3, you will get 2 multiplied by 17. Now 2 7 is 14, 2 1 is 2 3. That means cube root of 39304 is equal to 34, which in other words mean 34 multiplied by 34 multiplied by 34 is equal to 39304. And in this way you will solve for any kind of number that is given to you. I hope you understood the questions, and I wish you will share with your friends as well. Thank you for watching and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.